Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel, Sticky Side Down. If you guys could hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give me a thumbs up for a like, all down there, so we can keep this content rolling. Thank you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to continue from yesterday. Yesterday it got too late to do anything other than wash it down. But today we're going to open up the hood, check some fluids, maybe even see if we can't get it to possibly turn over. After 31 years of sitting, not running. So let's do this. If you guys don't know, these old cars have a hood latch underneath. It's just a little bitty hook that goes up through behind this little insert of the grill, and it hooks to a latch for the hood, but it's way underneath here. Some kind of weird contraption.
I gotta get on that side.
And it is right, this little hook thing right there. I don't know if you can see it.
It's about 2 feet long. It goes up here.
But yeah, he says it's about 2 feet long. My brother-in-law, he says it's about 2 feet long. He knows quite a bit about these old cars.
Yesterday I could see where I was going.
And it's in there. If you can, no, you can't really see it.
Cotton key or something on it, it fell out. But we'll get it open.
Success. Now,
I'm holding it down to see if you can slip it.
yep, sure can.
Yeah, let's see what's under here.
Hold on. I don't want to ruin the springs. Oh, what a mess.
Look at that.
But hood's open.
That's intact.
Oh, it's a little ate up. Oh, look at that. A little broken.
Engine's there.
Clutch fan.
Complete.
All complete. Original. Completely original. Let's open up the...
You got that thing running? Let's check the oil.
Yep.
It's got oil in it.
Oh, that looks...
Looks really good for since 1988.
It's a little thick and pasty.
Yeah. It's probably like 360 or something. 3060 weight.
Something old. You want to take the air breather off? See what the filter looks like?
If I can get that off.
It's a little...
Power steering looks to be empty.
Okay.
No battery.
No battery whatsoever. Okay.
Need a screwdriver or something.
Get some leverage. There we go. What do we got for brake fluid?
Almost none. It's not dry. There's a little bit in there.
Okay,
So
cool.
we'll have to put some in before we drive it down the road. Have to put some
Right.
brake fluid in it.
Let's see if we can't get this to... There we go.
I thought that was going to happen.
Yeah, it did too. It wasn't supposed to do that.
That's all right.
Oh,
4-barrel.
that's actually a lot better than I thought it would be.
There's not a mouse nest in it.
That's what I was worried about, being just full of mice. You can check the transmission fluid too.
Good old Quadrajet.
Quadra-junk. Is it froze?
Nope, it's all good. This thing's going to fire right up.
Kind of think it might too. Alright. We can check the transmission fluid too while we're here.
We'll leave that off. So give me that. I'll put that back in there.
Okay.
Here, should be on that side.
Radiator here. That looks to be bone dry. coolant. Yeah, there's I don't see anything. He might have been smart and emptied most of it.
I'd want to keep antifreeze in there.
Yeah, I know. That freeze make it worse.
How much room there is in the front of this car? This is just, it's crazy.
Transmission fluid
Looks better.
Wow.
That looks better than most cars.
Holy cow, that looks better than most cars driving down the road. That's insane how clean that is. Looks like there's a spark plug wire popped from the distributor. There we go. The boot was popped off. There. All right, well, what do you think, YouTube? It's gonna fire up?
Is it gonna turn over?
All right, YouTube.
Got a buzzer.
We got a buzzer. Ignition's on.
Okay.
He's gonna sit in that nasty seat.
We're just looking forward to turn over.
We just want to turn over, folks. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. 12-3. Still 12. Okay, 12-4. Uh-oh. She might be.
No, we'll, it could be the starter froze up, but we'll see if we can't hand crank the motor over.
All right, so we got ourselves an adjustable wrench, and we're gonna put it on the alternator bolt and see if we can't
It's loose enough to
turn over.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
She's not frozen.
She's not frozen at all. The crank's spinning. All the belts are turning. The fan's turning. Everything is turning, so
Something with the starter.
it's gonna be something with the starter.
I can't believe if it has a bad connection or something. I mean, it wouldn't be rusted or anything, I don't think.
No, it
After
shouldn't.
30 years of sitting.
No, not at all. Well,
So, all right.
that's turning over, so now it's just looking at the starter and the wiring going to the starter and see what we can come up with. That's awesome. This motor turns over.
Can we see the starter?
Let's see the oil filter and the header, or exhaust manifold.
That's the oil filter. And definitely need to be careful. That's a pretty rusty looking oil filter. It could blow off when it starts.
Okay.
So I won't run it for very long.
I don't.
The first time.
The first time, yes.
Just make it fire and then I'll get the oil filter changed.
All right, guys. We are gonna try another turnover. Nothing? Nope. Nothing. We're getting a click. We're running 12.2 volts. Got 12.2 volts, 12.4. So that's enough to turn it over.
That's got to be the starter. I don't know, it'll be anything else.
Nope, nothing else. Starter. So we gave the starter a couple taps. We're gonna try again here. Wow. When you do that and hit power, this clutch actually engages and disengages. That thing still works.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You get in there, hit the key, and I'll tap the starter.
Okay. All right, guys, let's do this. We're gonna get in this bad boy. Oh, check out how this handle opens. Push here.
Where did I put that handle?
It's underneath the car. And that's how it opens up. We're gonna get, look at this. First look, daylight. Interior's actually not bad. Oh, the steering wheel's really sticky. All right, tell me when. Okay, turning the key, nothing.
Keep hitting it.
Yep, I'm hitting it. We might have a frozen starter. Nothing. All right. Well, the blower motor works. It was on de-ice, so I shut the blower motor off because it was probably pulling amps. I've never seen a vehicle with no glove box. That's crazy. Heavy duty flasher. So we're gonna try to open the trunk. The owner couldn't get it to open. Oh snap. First reveal.
This ain't been open since 1988.
No, it hasn't been. So what do you think?
A couple tires.
Yeah, a couple tires. A gaudy old looking carpet. Heavy duty motor oil. Look at that. So that's what they used
Clark.
back in the day.
You gotta love this carpet.
It's fresh out of your grandma's 1970s trailer.
And they don't make tires like that anymore.
No, they do not. That's brand new. Literally. Full size spare. There you go, people. And it went right there. Huh.
Yeah, covering that hole in the trunk.
I was gonna say, wow. Yeah, that's a nice hole. Ooh, ouch. What do we got here? All this junk. It sat under a tree of some sort. Before it went into the garage.
Yeah.
Ouch.
I've seen worse.
Nothing, so alright, let's see if the radio works on this bad boy.
Don't seem to have any power.
Oh, might be a fuse.
It's weird though that like they put a clock in the dash, you know, instead of like an RPM gauge. Speedometer says 140, so this car is fast.
Does the horn work?
Of course.
No.
What?
No, it don't.
It wants to.
Yeah, you can hear the click.
We'll probably get that working.
Yeah, you can hear the click. She gone.
Probably some bad connections.
On the horns, broke the motor or the starter loose, so now it's turning over. You never know on that.
Never know on these old cars. Come on. Let's see what we got. Oh, it turned over, people.
You got bad connections.
Bag, yep. Definitely a bag connect. It's probably in this.
Wiggle them around.
It turns over. Look at that. YouTube, it turns over. Check this out. Whoa! Oh, hey, stop. Yes. Yeah, it's definitely smoking.
Well, it's
I think those weren't tightened.
right. We got. Was it smoking here?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a loose connection. Now we'll get some good turn rolls. It's turned over, so maybe that oiled the motor a little bit.
Yeah, okay. There's no way that oiled that old oil like that. It's going to take a lot more turning over than that. Oh, and the gas tank reads empty.
Well, we're gonna pour gas directly
Down,
in.
yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. But the tank does read empty, so I don't have to worry about that.
Let's see if these are hot.
Having to drain that.
Yeah, that cable's warm. So. How fast was it turning over? Not too fast, it didn't sound like. I mean, these
maybe 200 RPM.
Crank really slow anyways because it's a big motor.
Yeah, it may have been. What do you think, YouTube? Should we fire it up tomorrow? I think so. We'll get some gas and get this thing rolling.